Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Metro Bank's online banking account. So first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop and type in metrobankonline.co.uk and hit enter. After that, it will take you to this page right here, which is the official homepage of Metro Bank. And on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login option. So click on it and then choose your banking account type. It may be personal banking, business or commercial banking, and you can also register for online banking. But for now, we'll click on personal banking. And then you'll have to enter your 12-digit customer number or username. After that, click continue and then you'll have to enter your password, and once you've entered your password, you'll be successfully able to log into your Metro Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.